Hi there, this is Claudio, and in the following video I'll show you step by step how to use our Zoom rooms to host or join meetings outside the Zoom ecosystem. For this purpose, I'm using a Mac computer and Google Meets. Just an example, but the concept on a PC is very similar. If you're on a Mac, you must install the Displaylink drivers. To accomplish this, you can do so from the self-service under the Display Drivers section. Make sure you allow screen recording permissions when requested. Grab the purple adapter from the table and connect it to your computer. If the LED lights when you plug it in, move to the next step. On the tab controller, select the Switch to BYOD option. Start a test meeting and locate the settings on the platform you intend to join or run. Once here, select the Logitech Meetup speakerphone for the microphone and the Logitech Meetup speakerphone for the speakers. All components are built on the same Logitech bar, so it will be very simple to identify the output. On the settings, depending on the system you use, these steps could vary. And I hope this was helpful. And please, for any help, reach out to the channels in the description below. I will add more references in the Confluence article and in the description as well. Have a great day.